Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This is a DIY on how to get Beyonce's Coachella outfits for less. So you literally just need a plain solid color fabric, and then you also need a sequence fabric. I just grabbed something out of my sewing closet. You're also going to need iridescent shredded strips of plastic paper. I also used a over-the-door curtain, which is just literally plastic strips that have been cut into strips, and you can literally just use that. I got both of those items from my local Party City. You're also going to need glue. I used hot glue gun and glue stick. And the most important part for the boots is the elastic strips. So you're going to need elastic strips for the boots. So basically, to do this is really easy. You just cut the white plastic strips, and those are going to create the illusion of the boot. Then you're also going to attach those strips to the elastic bands. Then you're also going to put the iridescent strips on top of that. You're going to attach all that with hot glue, and you're literally just going to put it in the front where your leg part is going to be in the front. That's the only area of the elastic strip that you need to attach the white and the iridescent plastic strips. I know this is difficult to understand, but I'm going to explain it again later on in the video. So that's basically all you need to do, and the elastic strips are going to tie around your leg to create the look of the boots. So I got a yellow sweatshirt for $10. I already had the orange tank top and the blue booty shorts. I also, just like I said, use the elastic strips to create what the boot looks like. So yeah, you guys, total, I really didn't spend a whole lot. I just looked around my house and used things that I had. I spent $10 on the sweatshirt, and then I spent like $2 and $3 on the plastic strips. So then I also had this wig laying around. I went ahead and bleached it. I had bleach laying around the house. So I really didn't spend a lot for this look, you guys. And that's the point. When you're recreating these looks, it's just for fun. It's just to do something when you get inspired, and, you know, just do a little DIY project for yourself. It's not to take yourself too seriously. It's just for fun, you guys. So I went ahead and added a little shine because the hair got a little dry after the dyeing. I know it's not as blonde as Beyonce's, but I did what I liked. You know, you want to take the inspiration, but put your own spin on it too. So this is the way the sweatshirt came out. I used the pink fabric underneath and the sequin fabric on top, and then I just stitched it down with some white thread. So I went ahead and put it on and realized that I sewed the letters on crooked. Ugh, smacked my head, but it's all good, you guys. Like I said, it's just for fun. Don't take yourself too seriously. So I grabbed my little dollar lip gloss, popped that on, added a little contour because you all know Beyonce's bone structure is amazing. So get your cheeks popping, add some highlighting powder, and you're good to go. So now I'm going to show you what the entire outfit looks like, and I'm going to show you how to attach the boots. All right, you guys, so we're getting there, looking closer and closer to BEYCHELLA's outfit, but we definitely need the boots. So go ahead and grab your elastic bands with the white plastic strips attached. This is what it should look like. Remember, the white strip should not be across the entirety of the strip because you do have to tie them behind your legs. When you make them, make sure that you make 2 of them shorter and make 2 of them much longer, because the shorter 2 go at the top from your thigh to your knee, and then the longer strips go from just under your knee all the way to the floor. In this video, you can't see it all the way to the floor, but make sure you're following me on Instagram because then you can see the full look from top to bottom. And my Instagram is @JessTheDragoness. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned.